For example number 3, 0.3, 0.33, 0.333 and so on. इथं पाहिल्याबरोबर लक्षात येईल, here common difference is not constant, therefore this is not an AP. But we have to write this. First write down given as it is. यावरून काय लिहिल्या, टर्म्स लिहिल्या. Here first term T1 is equal to 0.3, T2 is equal to 0.33, T3 is equal to 0.333 and so on. Now we have to take difference between any two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1. Here value of T2 is 0.33 minus 0.3. Now we can written as 0.3 as 0.30. काही फरक पडेल का? 0.3 म्हणजे यावर आपण किती झिरो वाढू शकतो? 0.30. Therefore, taking subtraction, 0.33 minus 0.30 is 0.03. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0.03. T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2 is equal to, write down value of T3, 0.333 minus, सांगा काय लिहावं लागेल बरं? 0.330. Correct. 0.330 is equal to, now 0.3 minus 0 is, or 0. This is 300. Therefore 0.003 and so on. Now here difference between any two consecutive terms, दोन्हीचा difference सारखा आला नाही. Difference between any two consecutive terms is not constant, therefore this given sequence is not an AP. Write down here the difference between any two consecutive terms is not constant, therefore the given sequence is not an AP. The given sequence is not an AP. This is the answer. Now write down next example. Number 4. Three plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. Now first write down given as it is. That is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. Now what is the first step? In first step we have to write this as T1, T2, T3 and so on. What is the second step? We have to find difference between two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2 and so on. आणि त्यावरून आपल्याला पाहिजे असलेलं उत्तर काढायचं. राईट डाऊन. Now, first write down here, T1 is equal to 3, T2 is equal to 3 plus root 2, T3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, T4 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. Now what is the next term? What will be the next term? काय येईल सांगा बरं.
2T1.
3 plus 4 root 2. Next term in. And next step now, T2 minus T1 is equal to. Now first write down value of T2, that is 3 plus root 2. Now we have to subtract T1 from this. Minus 3. Here 3 plus 3 minus 3 get cancel, is equal to root 2. Now T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2 is equal to, now write down value of T3, that is 3 plus 2 root 2. Now we have to subtract T2. सांगा बरं T2 subtract करायचंय, काय करावं लागेल? Now we have to change sign of both terms. But म्हणजे कसं लिहिता येईल असं एक स्टेप आपण कमी लिहू. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus T2, that is 3 plus root 2. यावरून आपल्याला डायरेक्ट कसं लिहिता येईल? Multiplying by minus sign, that is minus 3 minus root 2 is equal to. कसं लिहिलं लक्षात आलं? First write down T3. Here is minus term. Therefore, multiplying by minus sign, we can change this sign. Plus becomes minus. This plus becomes minus. Now here plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. Now 2 root 2 minus root 2. Kyle value 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. Here bigger term is plus, therefore plus 1 root 2. त्यालाच काय लिहिता येईल? root 2. Next, T4 minus T3 is equal to T4 minus T3, that is T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2. सांगा कसं लिहावं लागेल? काय लिहू मी तर सांगा. 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 root 2. Minus 3
minus 3 minus 2
minus
root
2 root 2. Correct. Here plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is 1 root 2, that is root 2, and so on. Now we can see here difference between any two consecutive term is constant, therefore this is an AP. Write down here the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant, therefore the given sequence is an AP, and we have to find its common difference, and its common difference is Kyle square root 2 and
root 2.
correct. Its common difference is square root 2. This is the answer. Now we will take one more example, number 5. Minus 1.5 minus 1.5 minus 1.5 and so on. Now whether this is in AP or not, AP मध्ये आहे का?
No.
नाही.
आहे.
आपण पाहिलं AP मध्ये असेल तर काय तो डिफरन्स, कॉमन डिफरन्स, इट मे बी पॉझिटिव्ह, निगेटिव्ह और 0. इथं डिफरन्स किती येईल? कॉमन डिफरन्स 0. Therefore this is in AP. Write down. First write down given as it is, minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5 and so on. Here. Now write down terms. First term T1 is equal to minus 1 upon 5. T2 is equal to minus 1 upon 5. T3 is equal to minus 1 upon 5 and so on. Now T2 minus T1 is equal to, now value of T2 is minus 1 upon 5. Here is minus term, minus of minus, Kyle palm, directly open, minus of minus plus 1 upon 5 is equal to plus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 get cancelled is equal to 0. Next, T3 minus T2 is equal to, T3 is minus 1 upon 5 minus of minus plus 1 upon 5. This get cancelled is equal to 0 and so on. Here, difference between any two consecutive term is constant. Therefore, given sequence is an AP and its common difference is 0. Write down here the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, given sequence is an AP. and its common difference is its common difference is 0. This is the answer. Now, second example. Write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. Now, first example, A is 10, D is equal to 5. Now, first write down. आपल्याला काय करायचंय? Write an AP. We have to write an arithmetic progression from this. Whose first term is denoted by A and common difference is denoted by D. म्हणजे आपल्याला फर्स्ट टर्म आणि कॉमन डिफरन्स दिला असताना एपी कसं लिहायचं, एपी कसं काढायचं ते आपल्याला पाहायचंय. राईट डाऊन गिवन A is equal to 10, D is equal to 5. Therefore, first term T1 is equal to, now first term is denoted by T1 and also E is equal to 10. Second term T2 is equal to, आपण पाहिलेलं आहे डी च्या फॉर्म मध्ये कसं लिहिता येईल सेकंड टर्म सांगा बरं.
10 plus 5.
A plus D, correct. 10 plus 5, that is A plus D. First write down A plus D. A plus D, or write down this as T1 plus D. Previous term मध्ये common difference D add केला. T2 is equal to T1 plus D is equal to value of T1 is 10 plus D is 5 is equal to 15. Next T3 is equal to, काय लिहावं लागेल? Previous term T2 plus common difference D, T2 plus D is equal to T2 is 15 plus D is 5 is equal to 20. Now take one more term. T4 is equal to T3 plus D is equal to, value of T3 is 20 plus D is 5 is equal to 25 and so on. Therefore, here first term is 10, second 15, third 20, fourth 25 and so on is an AP. एक मिनिट, आपल्याला काय काढायचं होतं? गिवन AP काढायचं होतं. Therefore, the given AP is Therefore, the given AP is 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. कसं एक्झाम्पल सोडवलं पहा. First we write given A, value of A and D. Here first term T1 is A is equal to 10. Second term T2 is equal to, previous term मध्ये D add केला, T1 plus D. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Third term, previous term T2 plus D. Therefore, 15 plus 5 is equal to 20 and so on. Therefore, the given AP is 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. This is the answer. Write down number 2. A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to 0. Now first write down given as it is. Given A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to 0. Given A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to 0. Therefore, first term T1 is equal to, first term is A is equal to minus 3. Second term T2 is equal to, सांगा कसं लिहावं लागेल?
T1 plus D.
T1 plus D.
plus D.
T1 plus D, correct. Previous term plus common difference. Now put values. Value of T1 is minus 3 plus D is 0. Minus 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 3. Next term T3 is equal to previous term T2 plus D is equal to, value of T2 is minus 3 plus D is 0 is equal to minus 3. T4 is equal to T3 plus D is equal to, value of T3 is minus 3 plus 0 is equal to minus 3, and so on. Therefore, what is the answer? What is the next step?
The given AP is
The given AP is minus 3.
and so on.
Correct. The given sequence is an AP. Sorry. Therefore, the given sequence, given AP is, therefore, the given AP is आता पहा, write an AP. Therefore, the given AP is first term, that is minus 3. Second term minus 3. Third term minus 3, and so on. This is the answer. आता इथे एक लक्षात घ्या, आपल्याला राईट अँड एपी, आपल्याला एपी लिहायचंय, त्यामुळं इथं काय लिहावं लागेल? गिवन, द गिवन च्या ऐवजी फक्त एपी. Therefore, the AP is, अगोदरच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये असं काय लिहिलंय पहा, मस्त असं दुरुस्त करा. Therefore, the AP is write down next example. Number 3. A is equal to minus 7. D is equal to 1 upon 2. First write down given. A is equal to minus 7, D is equal to 1 upon 2. Now, or therefore, first term T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 7. T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 7. Second term T2 is equal to previous term T1 plus D is equal to. Now put value of T1 is minus 7 plus D is 1 upon 2 is equal to, सांगा काय येईल?
-13/2.
Correct. 2 into 7, that is minus 14 plus 1, that is minus 13 upon 2. Minus 13 upon 2. T3 is equal to T2 plus D. T2 plus D is equal to, value of T2 is minus 13 upon 2 plus D is 1 upon 2 is equal to, but here LCM is equal to, LCM is 2, therefore minus 13 plus 1 directly open, minus 13 plus 1 minus 12 upon 2, that is equal to minus 6. Minus 6. Write down one more. T4 is equal to T3 plus D is equal to, value of T3 is minus 6 plus D is 1 upon 2 is equal to, now here minus 12 plus 1 minus 11 upon 2 and so on. Therefore, the AP is first term minus 7, second minus 13 upon 2, third minus 6 minus 11 upon 2 and so on. Now what will be the next term? कोणती येईल बरं सांगा?
AP is equal to -6.
Minus 5. Minus 7, minus 6, minus 5. इथं minus 13 upon 2, minus 11 upon 2, पुढं काय येईल? minus 9 upon 2. Now, example number 4. A is equal to minus 19. A is equal to minus 19. D is equal to minus 4. A is equal to minus 19. D is equal to minus 4. Now, first write down given A is equal to minus 19, D is equal to minus 4. Now, what is the first step? We have to write the values of T1, T2, T3 and so on. We have to find value of this. T1 is equal to, first term is equal to A is equal to minus 19. Second term T2 is equal to, सांगा काय लिहायचं? T1 plus D. Value of T1 is minus 19 plus D is minus 4. D is minus 4 is equal to, minus 19 minus 4 is minus 23. T3 is equal to T2 plus D. Value of T2 is minus 23 plus D, that is minus 4 is equal to minus 27. T4 is equal to T3 plus D is equal to minus 27 minus 4 is equal to minus 31 and so on. Therefore, The AP is, सांगा काय येईल AP?
minus 19, minus 20,
minus 19, minus 23, minus 27, minus 31, and so on. This is the answer.